Hey guys, welcome back. This is Bernardo from the BJ Tech News, and today is a video of first boot. Awesome. I love the first boots because it's something new that I'm showing you guys, and it's the Windows 8.1 Enterprise preview. And as you can see on the screen, it's here. Windows has finally created an Enterprise Windows 8.1 operating system for those business class. Remember, Windows 8 was not made for a business environment. It was mostly built for a tablet environment or a home environment, never for like a business setting, you know, domain controllers, adding Active Directory users and all that craziness with the business world. So believe it or not, Microsoft gave in and they created an enterprise. So I already downloaded the ISO. The ISO is about, let me see how big is the ISO so I can actually tell you guys, and we can boot it up. The ISO is about 2.5 gigs. I will provide the link at the bottom of the description so you guys could go to get a copy and test it out. And let's start. Let's do the first boot. I already have my the ISO already mounted to my virtual machine, so I'm gonna press OK. I'm giving it 1 gig, 1 processor, 15 gigs because it's only for testing wise. It should be enough. And let's hit power. Let's do a first boot with you guys. This is pretty exciting. And as always, you have the nice little Windows setup. I don't think this is ever gonna change when the Windows 7 or Windows 8. So what we're gonna do is a next, and we're gonna do an install. And setup is starting. Very common. I don't think nothing's changed. I think the environment and certain little things with the Windows operating system with 8.1 has changed. I know a lot of security lockdown has changed. Accept the license and terms. Let's hit next. We're gonna do a custom install 15, and we're gonna hit next. So real basic. This is nothing's changed. Right now it's copying all the files, it's getting ready to do the installation, and let's go back over here and see, and we're back. So it finally initialized itself and installed the operating system. So now it's time to do the personalization of the Windows 8.1. Again, we're doing a first boot of Windows 8.1 Enterprise. So I'm going to pick my color and let's give it a name. I normally give it BJ Tech News PC. And we're gonna go to next. I'm gonna do the express settings for now, and just checking if I got an internet connection. Now, I wanna give you some of the features of what Windows 8.1 Enterprise is coming with. What Microsoft is offering with this Enterprise Edition. Now, it has Windows to Go Creator, which allows the IT organizations to create a fully manageable corporate Windows 8.1 desktop on a bootable external USB drive. Pretty cool. Okay, still setting up the account. Another cool thing is the start screen control, which IT department can now control the layout of the start screen on company issued devices to ensure key apps are easily accessible. That's pretty awesome. I am going to connect this PC to a Microsoft account. I don't want to do that. Let's do customize. You connect to a network. Do you want to find PCs, devices, and content in the network automatically? No. Wait, let's go back. Let's do express again. Let's do that one more time. This is a little new. I don't think I noticed this when I was doing Windows 8 with you guys, which is pretty strange. But back to some of the other features that Windows 8.1 Enterprise is coming with. Now you got direct access, which allows users access resource inside of a corporate network remotely without having to launch a separate VPN. So that's pretty cool. What's this? Hey, let me just sign in. Why not? Let's just do this. Do this the right way, right now, right? you're gonna do it once, let's do it once, and let's do it right. So let's hit next. Now, another cool thing is branch cache, which employees in branch offices no longer need to download content multiple times across the wide area network, the WAN. So that's pretty cool. So rather than pulling a certain file, let's say in Costa Rica, it's actually going to cache locally to your site. So you're not actually accessing it in Costa Rica, you're accessing it locally. So that's pretty cool. Help us protect your account. You need to use a security code to verify your account. I'm going to skip this for now. Do its thing. Hurry up, please. Another cool thing for those virtual guys, you have the virtual desktop infrastructure, the VDI. Users will enjoy a rich desktop experience and the ability to play 3D graphics, use USB peripherals, and use touch-enabled devices across any type of network, LAN or WAN, for a VDI scenario, which is pretty cool. You also have App Locker. I don't think App Locker was enabled with the Windows 8 preview. Again, Windows 8 was mostly created for a tablet world. What is this? SkyDrive is your cloud storage. Turn off these. Yeah, I'm gonna turn this off. It's saying it's not recommended, but I don't want to deal with it. I'm just gonna turn it off. Just create my account. And another cool thing is Windows Enterprise side loading. Now, what's side loading all about? It's an internal Windows app which can be side loaded on domain joined PCs and tablets running Windows 8.1 Enterprise, which is pretty cool. It's internal web Windows apps. Cool. So that means if you have developers in-house, you could basically, most likely they're going to be creating apps and they could just, you know, put them in your machine. That's pretty cool. Another cool feature with Windows 8.1 Enterprise, you have Workplace Join, which trusted devices running Windows 8.1 are allowed to access secure enterprise data. You also have OpenMDM. Now, MDM stands for Mobile Alliance Device Management. It's built into the OS and enables mobile device management using third-party MDM solutions such as Mobile Iron, I think. Yeah, Mobile Iron or AirWatch with no additional agent required. Basically, enhanced policies allows administrators to manage more settings from both Windows Intune and the third-party MDM solution for both Windows 8.1 and Windows RT 8.1, which is pretty cool. You also have Inbox VPN clients, which Windows 8.1 extends the ability to third-party VPN providers to include versions of their VPN clients Inbox. This means that on both x86 and the ARM RT platform, vendors can work with Microsoft to include their VPN functionality Inbox with Windows 8.1. So much exciting features that 8.1 has for enterprise though. And we're back. It has finally finished installing. It did its final reboot and it logged me in automatically because I logged in into my Microsoft account. But I kind of find something pretty cool. And what I find cool is, ever since I started doing these Windows 8 and 8.1 videos with you guys, my desktop settings have trickled down. So that means if I create a new virtual machine right now or a new Windows 8 and I log in with my credentials, my settings follow me. That's pretty awesome. I give Microsoft 2 thumbs up for that. So far it looks just like Windows 8, but the only way we can actually test this, guys, is if I add this bad boy to an Active Directory and, you know, start playing around. Most likely that's going to be in future videos. If you guys have any questions or on any of the enterprise features that you want me to touch base on right away, hey, shoot comments right below and let me know. Give me thumbs up, and hopefully you guys enjoy this first boot of Windows 8.1 Enterprise preview, and I catch you guys later. Peace out.